This bird literally walks into a crocodile's mouth and survives. And no, this isn't a movie scene. The crocodile opens its jaws wide. One bite could end everything. But instead, a tiny bird walks straight inside. This bird is called Egyptian plover, and it's not there by accident. It eats leftover meat stuck between the crocodile's teeth. The crocodile stays completely still, almost like it understands what's happening. The bird gets food, and the crocodile gets clean teeth. One wrong move, and it's over. But somehow, this strange partnership works.